In all cases, while operating a motor vehicle, drivers should practice defensive driving techniques. Defensive driving is the art of driving to prevent and avoid traffic crashes, regardless of the unsafe conditions and actions created by other drivers and adverse road and/or weather conditions. A good defensive driver will practice the following 8 techniques. Glance well ahead in the direction of travel. Look 2 or 3 vehicles ahead to observe driving conditions in front of you. This allows you to consider a condition before you reach it. Get the big picture, learn to see the entire roadway. Sweep the scene, sides and back. Avoid tunnel vision. Keep your eyes moving. Position vehicle slightly offset to traffic to increase your field of vision. Always allow an escape route, leave a cushion by slowing or moving ahead of the vehicles beside you. Keep your vehicle visible and signal your intentions early. When stopped prior to making left turns across incoming traffic, leave wheels straight to prevent being pushed into oncoming traffic in the event of a rear-end crash. When entering intersections, practice looking left or right or left. Be sure to come to a full stop before proceeding. Learn to compensate for hazards such as weather, debris, potholes, loose gravel, or sand, and always maintain a cautious driving attitude. Remember, when entering a rotary, that Massachusetts law requires you to yield to vehicles already in the rotary. Please like, share, and subscribe for more safety knowledge.